Seniors, try this before bed to repair your eyes and vision while you sleep. Chapter 8. Pumpkin Seeds. In the months ahead, one of the simplest changes you can make for your eye health will be to add raw pumpkin seeds to your bedtime routine. They're small, easy to eat, and require no preparation, but their benefits are profound. Pumpkin seeds are among the most zinc-dense plant foods on the planet, and zinc is critical for your retina. Without enough of it, vitamin A can't reach your eyes to produce melanin, the pigment that protects them from light damage and supports sharp vision in low-light conditions. Seniors who increase zinc intake now are giving their future selves better night vision, faster visual processing, and reduced oxidative stress in the macula, the part of the eye responsible for central vision. Each ounce of pumpkin seeds contains around 7 milligrams of zinc, alongside vitamin E, which reduces eye inflammation, and lutein, which slows the progression of age-related macular degeneration. Research involving over 1,000 older adults found that pairing lutein and zinc slowed disease progression by up to 25% over 5 years. Imagine what that means for someone starting today. Sharper eyesight, more independence, and the ability to read, drive, and enjoy hobbies for far longer. To get the best results, you'll want to use them raw and unsalted. High heat roasting can destroy delicate antioxidants. Soaking them overnight, then drying at low heat, will make minerals more absorbable. You can eat them whole, grind them into yogurt, or even turn them into pumpkin seed butter for a creamy spread. In the years to come, a small handful before bed could quietly protect your vision every single night. 7. Fennel seeds. Looking forward, fennel seeds will be one of the quiet heroes in your evening routine. While most people think of them as a digestive aid, these tiny seeds have an impressive ability to support your eye's microvascular system, the network of tiny blood vessels that keep your retina alive and healthy. As we age, those vessels can stiffen, narrow, or even block, cutting off the oxygen and nutrients your eyes desperately need. Fennel seeds are rich in flavonoids and vitamin C, both of which combat oxidative stress and reduce intraocular pressure. A 2020 study in the Journal of Ocular Pharmacology and Therapeutics found that fennel seed extract improved blood flow to the eyes and reduced early retinal damage by over 30% in just 2 weeks. They also contain anethole, a plant compound that reduces swelling and improves tear production, both key for fighting dry, irritated eyes. To make them part of your future nightly habit, steep 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds in hot water for 5 minutes to create a gentle tea after dinner. This not only aids digestion, but ensures those bioactive compounds are absorbed. Over time, you'll notice less eye strain, especially after reading or using screens, and more consistent visual clarity in dim light. Chewing them raw is another option, though the tea is more relaxing before bed. When you think ahead, 5 or 10 years, small habits like these, a handful of pumpkin seeds, a cup of fennel tea, may be the difference between eyes that tire easily and eyes that stay sharp and comfortable well into your later years. Chapter 6. Sunflower seeds. In the future, one of the most protective foods you can give your eyes is something you may have eaten all your life: sunflower seeds. But the key will be eating them in the right form and at the right time. Raw, unsalted sunflower seeds are packed with vitamin E, a fat-soluble antioxidant that acts as a shield against oxidative damage to your retina. This is critical because oxidative stress accelerates the breakdown of photoreceptor cells, leading to central vision loss. The landmark age-related eye disease study, funded by the National Eye Institute, found that high vitamin E intake, along with other nutrients, reduced the risk of macular degeneration progression by 25% in high-risk individuals. That means if you start now, you're giving yourself a stronger defense for the years ahead. Sunflower seeds also provide selenium, zinc, and copper, minerals that support lens clarity, protect retinal tissue, and keep blood vessels flexible. For a bedtime snack, an ounce is enough, sprinkled over plain Greek yogurt, blended into seed butter, or even mixed into oatmeal. By making this a consistent habit, you're steadily supplying your eyes with the raw materials they need to stay strong. Over the years, this small ritual can mean better contrast sensitivity, fewer issues with glare, and a sharper focus during both day and night. 5. Chia seeds. If you want to safeguard your night vision and protect your retina from blood vessel damage in the coming years, chia seeds will be an essential ally. These small black seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid ALA, which your body converts to DHA, the main structural fat in your retina's photoreceptor cells. Without enough DHA, those cells thin and weaken, leading to night vision problems and even macular degeneration. A study in investigative ophthalmology and visual science found that seniors with higher DHA intake had a 38% lower risk of advanced macular degeneration. But chia seeds offer even more. When soaked in water, they form a gel-like texture that slows digestion, prevents blood sugar spikes, and keeps the small capillaries in your eyes from oxidative damage. To use them for maximum benefit, soak 1 to 2 tablespoons in water for several hours. Then add to yogurt, smoothies, or oatmeal before bed. This gives your body a slow, steady release of omega-3s and hydration overnight. Years from now, this simple routine can mean fewer floaters, sharper night vision, and a healthier retina, all from something that costs pennies per serving. 4. Nigella seeds. Looking ahead, nigella seeds, often called black seeds or black cumin, will be one of the most valuable additions you can make to your nightly eye care routine. Their strength lies in a unique antioxidant called thymoquinone, which has been shown in research to improve circulation to the retina and lower intraocular pressure, two of the most important factors in preserving vision as we age. In a study published in Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine, glaucoma patients who took black seed oil daily saw a 24% reduction in eye pressure after just 6 weeks. That kind of improvement is not just a short-term benefit. It's a protective investment in your future eyesight. High eye pressure damages the optic nerve slowly and silently over time. By reducing that pressure now, you're helping ensure that years down the road, your optic nerve is still intact and transmitting clear signals to your brain. Nigella seeds also improve oxygen delivery by relaxing blood vessels and increasing nitric oxide production. For your retina, a tissue that consumes more oxygen per gram than almost any other part of your body. This means better energy, sharper focus, and reduced fatigue. Over the years, improved circulation can slow down the natural decline in contrast sensitivity, helping you distinguish fine details and subtle differences in shades even in low light. Making nigella part of your evening routine is simple. Chew a pinch of seeds before bed, or stir half a teaspoon of cold-pressed black seed oil into warm water with honey. The warmth enhances absorption. The honey soothes digestion, and together they prepare your body for a restful night, while your eyes begin repairing themselves. With consistent use over the years, you'll likely notice less eye strain, better adaptation to changes in lighting, and a reduced feeling of tired eyes at the end of the day. Citron Furs, Featured 3. Fenugreek seeds. In the years to come, Fenugreek seeds will prove to be an equally important partner in protecting your eyes, but they work in a different way. One of the most overlooked causes of age-related vision loss is blood sugar damage to the retina's fragile capillaries. When blood sugar stays high, it triggers glycation, a process where sugar molecules attach to proteins in your eye, weakening and stiffening them. This not only speeds up cataract formation, but also increases the risk of diabetic retinopathy, a leading cause of blindness. Fenugreek seeds have been used in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries, but modern science now confirms their power. A 2021 study in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences found that daily fenugreek supplementation lowered blood glucose by up to 30% and significantly reduced oxidative stress in the retina. That means, if you start now, you could be preventing decades of microscopic damage before it even begins. Beyond blood sugar control, fenugreek is rich in lutein, the same antioxidant found in leafy greens that protects the macula from blue light and UV damage. Over the years, consistent lutein intake has been linked to slower macular degeneration progression, sharper central vision, and better visual endurance during reading or computer work. The most effective way to use fenugreek seeds for eye health is to soak 1 teaspoon in water overnight and drink the water first thing in the morning. This allows your body to absorb the active compounds on an empty stomach, maximizing their effect. Alternatively, you can grind the seeds and add them to soups or stews during your evening meal, a habit that will quietly reinforce your eye health night after night. By combining nigella seeds in the evening and fenugreek seeds in the morning or at dinner, you're building a 24-hour cycle of protection for your eyes, supporting circulation, lowering pressure, controlling blood sugar, and defending the retina from oxidative stress. 10 years from now, this could mean the difference between struggling with low-light vision and enjoying crisp, clear sight well into your 70s and 80s. 2. Flax seeds. Looking to the future, flax seeds will be one of your most reliable defenses against retinal aging. They are the richest plant source of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, an omega-3 fat that your body converts to DHA, the structural fat of the retina. Without enough DHA, the retina becomes thinner and less efficient, leading to reduced contrast sensitivity, slower focus adjustment, and a higher risk of macular degeneration. A major study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults with higher ALA intake had a 40% reduced risk of developing advanced macular degeneration. That's not a minor improvement. It's a nearly halved risk of one of the most common causes of severe vision loss in seniors. By starting a daily flax seed habit now, you're actively lowering your chances of future blindness. Flax seeds also reduce inflammation in the capillaries feeding your eyes. These small vessels are prone to damage from high blood sugar and high blood pressure, both of which are common after 60. When they're inflamed, fluid can leak into the retina, causing swelling and blurriness. The anti-inflammatory compounds in flax seeds help keep these vessels strong and sealed. Here's the most important tip. Whole flax seeds often pass through your digestive system intact, meaning you miss out on their nutrients. Always choose freshly ground flax seeds and store them in the fridge to preserve the delicate oils. Stir 1 tablespoon into yogurt, blend it into a smoothie, or sprinkle it over warm cereal about 30 to 45 minutes before bed. Over time, this steady supply of omega-3s will strengthen your retina, improve tear production in dry eyes, and keep your vision sharper for years to come. 1. Greek yogurt with vision-supporting seeds. In the years ahead, one of the most complete bedtime routines for eye repair will be a small bowl of plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt topped with a blend of seeds, especially pumpkin, sunflower, and flax. This isn't just a snack, it's a carefully balanced delivery system for the nutrients your eyes crave most. Greek yogurt provides healthy fats and protein, which help your body absorb fat-soluble antioxidants like lutein and vitamin E. The seeds add zinc for night vision, omega-3s for retinal structure, vitamin E for antioxidant protection, and lutein for macular defense. When eaten together about 30 to 45 minutes before bed, they give your eyes a steady release of nutrients throughout the night, exactly when your body's repair systems are most active. Over time, this nightly ritual will help reduce oxidative stress in your retina, support strong capillaries, and improve your eye's ability to adapt to changing light. It's also incredibly easy to prepare. 3/4 cup of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed, and a small handful of raw pumpkin and sunflower seeds. Add a drizzle of honey if you prefer, but keep it light. The goal is nourishment, not sugar spikes. If you begin this habit now and maintain it for the long term, you're not just protecting your eyesight for the next year. You're building a foundation for clear, vibrant vision for decades to come. Combined with the other foods in this top 8 list, you'll be addressing circulation, pressure, nutrient delivery, and inflammation all at once. The 4 biggest threats to healthy eyes after 60.